just let the music softly say you're doing fine today.